So, the realisation. We bought another car. Now, you may think it's looking a bit sorry for itself. This is the automatic hood opener, which then has a secondary safety device. Which reveals the engine with radiator water leak. There's some oil and messy stuff down there, messy stuff down there. Headlights that may need something doing with them. Bonnet sealed. We have rivets. There's more rivets. We have dents, rusts. Let's put some wheels. You have to excuse a bit of this. I have started working on it because I needed to get into the driver's door. Basically, the door lock doesn't open. So, also the hazard switch and central door lock in there didn't seem to be working, so we had to take that out. We've got a new one of them coming. See, cracked trim. We have an Android head unit. Rear doors don't open. Missing trim, both rear wheel arches. Very dirty. Good news, no ceramics, no ceramic sunroof. Somebody's actually put a rear view camera in here. Don't think that's where they're meant to be normally. Normally they're up here. And you can also see the switch is missing for this bit. It does start. It does run. Central locking, definitely locked. But I had to take the actual catch out, because if you look, that was fun, because the bolt that goes in there, which won't focus, is stripped. So you can see a bit of rip on the driver's seat. Needs a very clean up. Steering wheel needs to be recovered. It did have air suspension on from the factory. That's been deleted. It's not the first time somebody's been in here to change this. Both mirrors need a bit of work. You can see we would have a focus. That's it.